Hello everyone, see you again. In this video, I will talk about how to apply for the GKS Scholarship 2025 step-by-step guide. Before starting, please show your support by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Global Korea Scholarship, i.e. GKS Scholarship 2025 for graduate degree programs is open now. You can apply for the master's and doctoral programs for a chance to come and study in South Korea on this fully funded scholarship. If you are looking for a step-by-step guide on how to apply for the GKS Scholarship, this article will help you understand the application process in detail, explaining both the application tracks, the embassy track, and university track. Choosing the right track for GKS Scholarship. There are two ways to apply for the GKS Scholarship. 1. Embassy track. Apply through the Korean embassy in your country. More competitive but allows you to choose from several universities. 2. University track. Apply directly to a Korean university. Faster process but limited to one university. Let's start with embassy track application process. You can apply to 3 universities under this track. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Download the application form from Study in Korea or the embassy website. Gather the required documents, including your degree certificates, transcripts, recommendation letters, and personal statement. Step 2. Submit the application to the Korean embassy. Send your complete application by post to the Korean embassy in your country before the deadline. Step 3. Embassy screening and interview. The embassy will review applications and conduct interviews for shortlisted candidates. If selected, the embassy will recommend candidates to NII, National Institute for International Education. Step 4. NS selection and university review. NI will review the recommended candidates and forward applications to the 3 universities you selected. Each university will assess your application. Step 5. Final selection and result announcement. If accepted by at least one university, NI will finalize the selection. The final list of GKS Scholarship recipients will be announced on Study in Korea and by the Korean Embassy. The candidates who gain admission from more than one university will have to make a final selection and notify their respective local Korean Embassy and NIIED by the designated date. Let's move on to the university track application process. You can apply to one university under this track. Step 1. Choose a university and prepare documents. Select a university from the university track list on Study in Korea. Download the application form and gather all required documents. Step 2. Submit application to the university. Send your complete application by post or email, if allowed, directly to the university. Step 3. University screening recommendation to NIIED. The university will review your application and recommend shortlisted candidates to NIIED. Step 4. Final selection. NI will review the university's recommendations and make the final decision. Step 5. Final result announcement. If selected, NI will confirm your admission and officially announce the GKS Scholarship recipients. As you can see in the table on the right side, this is how to apply for GKS Scholarship University track process. To avoid confusion, please make sure that you understand clearly about each step. Last but not least, here's how to apply for GKS Scholarship Summary. Here's a simplified diagram of how to apply for GKS Scholarship via both embassy track and university track. For embassy track process, 1. Prepare and submit application, send to Korean Embassy. 2. Embassy screening and interview. Embassy recommends candidates to NIE selection and university review. Universities review applications. 4. Final decision by NI, results announced. For university track process, 1. Choose university and apply, send to Korean University. 2. University screening, university recommends candidates to NIM. 3. Final decision by NIM, results announced. Make sure to check the official notice on the Study in Korea website www.studyinkorea.go.kr. K Scholarship, GKS Notice. For detailed information, please download and read the official GKS Scholarship 2025 application guidelines. Thank you for watching. Good luck with your preparation. See you in the next videos. Bye.